no bakala soyuta ge kulo soyuta mi pargala udo no puite no mala atuyeta wa ami pargala ajeta mi tato no do awe mi pargala ai do buwe no no mi pargala ai amupa no pargane ataw mu with themi okay Jesus love mother Jesus love father Jesus love brother Jesus is telling the truth okay when it became to bakala Jesus dream no so the amimora two thing no so the amimora ni kikalo no begede malo terkani petibalo so itani me pargala begede madele no awa ora le talota kle no do apa no do awe fene do awe ora la kana no Canaan to woman no awe ora la Canaan to woman no he lives in the Canaan no do when he peda la soyaku pagita na mala ta hiro do soyaku ta mu ke no pane ne betinya la Jesus talo Jesus a young man of the 17 no when is so tane awara ani the chi do nuni no pagita na 17 chinuni pamune so that chinuni pamune was tending on the flock and the brother no awari kuna wa tu metale no levera su pagita su tir pha metale tir pha klara aware ne no do adopt tir pha no do phane ne aware me pa no do adopt tir pha ne mera beha no apu kwa tir pha kora beha's brother no son of the kora Ziphar father wife no aware apa no ama and father has to report about them no when he lived out aware pa pagita mala aware pati thawara bakala no tataki ta la pagita ma habak picture ke la apa no ta la adopt with the ma ti phane no pay ni no Israel love Jesus more than any of his other son no pagita mala so no so yakune ta ko mi le so Israel no so Israel ne evra so yuta ane dile aputir phakla no aputir phakla ne so yuta ne evra no because he has been born to him in his old age no bamlu kula wa ople lo wara la awata paro asegto no bene so yuta ne ta ople ko ne awe ewe so yuta do mane no and he makes an richly no ornamented no pagita mala aware mawa ta do devra la ta do magiro o pagita ma ta do tukita khu o no men ma ta do wala la pagita ma tu mi ta no row for him no pagita na te mani wala la shika no when his brothers saw their father love him more than any of them no pe awade ti wala apani evera so yuta anidi pagita mala le awati pa kono they hate him and they could not speak a kind word to him no awati pa ni no ta tu hi ta hi o do katura ro ta katu mu le or the tiba Joseph have the dream no so yuta ni awe ora tamimo no tamimo and when he told it to his brother no pagita ma adopt with the basana ga awati flora wara ata mimole adopt with the power no they hate him all the more no pagita ma awati tu hitahi aro le ata mo pu no pagita ma le pay he said to them no awati ba awati no awati ba listen to the dream I have no awani dukana yitami mo no yamimo tarki no we were binding no kita service of the grain out in the field when the sundry any safe rose and stand upright no kita ma buku ti pani awa ti pani no and the buku ti pani no kita ma la no pagduga la buku ti palo why your safe gathering around mine and bound down to it no ba menu le tera no high no ba menu ko le na tu bu du ti pha ni a lo khi lo ye bu du du amenya no o watery when ani lo letter ne ko ja ro ni no Atera his brother said to him no adopt with it part deva or no do you intend to resign our us no region over us no when the sukumo le na ka pu we khala no ko de ma no ways you actually rule us no when na ka pu kwa khala siko no naga kero pakubana do min mi wa atera bai ne and they hate him all the more because of his strength and what he had said now pagdan ma aware ni no pagdan na pa tu de mu ta de mu ma ado pa de fa ne no tu tho ta hi o a ro ne le aware ta mi mo le aware de ba ti de fa ne no then he has another dream no but we run it aware mi mo wa ta mi mo ga mi no and he told it to his brother no I want me more than blown it when it double with a hiri no wait take it out no okay you busy you can watch later okay I wait take it out tami more no I wait take it out tami more running no aware no wait take it out tami more put it out double with a hiri wait take it out tami more listen he said no wait it out canine no whatever I had another dream you ought to tell me more no and this time the sun and moon and the 11 star were bound down to me the sun and moon 11 star no 11 star were bound down to me no bowing down to me let us no pagitana no moon do la do pagitana ma sa the city planning college me nyane lo no dollar no when he told his father as well as his brother his father rebuked him and said now picture mala deplore devara now what is that your dream you have where your mother and I have your brother actually came and bound down to the ground before you his brother was jealous of him now kita nak adopt what it funny now kita mana now kita mana titemu tatemu ba kita timin me ba tatemu la awak ke kira aku na ba no kita nak jealous but his father keep the matter in mind no ame apa ni on sukumo na pati ka ba ta ka no basa na ki pain ni Joseph saw by his brother na ta chala ku na Joseph ne ta chala ku ni la basa na ki pain ni Joseph's dream coming true Joseph's dream coming true na pagite de mala na coming true delay ni na pagite de ma pain no pa couple what atami morning tamata ta pagite ro no tamata pagite sikoro pagite ba pain no no pagite pakana Jesus dreaming same semi-crude no hey ni patibala apa ni pagite na pain ni apa ni sugi te kelo ti de ba no ta chala ku o remember de no ta chala ku so ta chala ku no Joseph no ta chala ku Joseph no pagite na chala ku Joseph ulo ne aware do nemba ki we ta te mi sikolo hey ni no patibala hey ni apa leki ki ni so yuta ni alebra le ko Egyptian no patibala awe manera awe mani ki we ta lo ta la ti pha phe ni do no pagite de mala ta ma ta do no so pa pha lo ta mi mo ta ki ta klo do awe mani we sikolo hey ni patibala the last thing ni no apathy the jaco no jaco we ni pagite mala jaco katu pawara pakala apukwa agi eklu no pain no jaco katu pa apukwa agi eklu ni pagite no jette palu wili mano basana ke katu pa apukwa agi eklu pain ni Debra no jaco blessing his son no Debra dile no pain ni then jaco called for his son when a Genesis 49 no when a Korara answer no gather around so I can tell you why we happen to you in day to come now takama atharo nathulu no bagdana ma la tu tao mu pu ne lo ke he takama ta dirpa now assemble and listen son of Jacob listen to your father no Israel no bagdana ma no assemble no a seeber no when I listen to your father no bagdana ma dogana ma no dogana pain ni yete tu bakala tamma ta ti pasiko no Rubin talo Rubin mera phukwa awe ko daga no you are my firstborn my mice the first sign on my street no bagdana ma la pain ni yeta sukumo ro no bagdana ma la ta uple ro subita do yigi yaba no tera phane no excellent is honor exactly in the power excellent in power phane paktinya la ta ba pakena do pakten mala or ta suta ko no turbulent at the water you will no longer isn't na permanent mala nane pakten ma takuta ko template no do phane do you went into my father best sit down and pargane me pala ebada no ebada apa no apa ma na apa ti ma de tan ko tai ko ke siko do phane pagale kwala into my cause and defend it no Simeon lives and the brother their soul and the weapon of the violent okay I want to make that Simon okay close let me not enter their council let me not join their assembly for they has killing men and their angels angel I want to follow matida Pagidana ma hamstrings oxen and they please na pagidana ma I want to dawo no crushing their angels and fishing and their fairies and the carry away scatter them in Jacob and the despair then in Israel Judas and your brother will praise you Judah me wala adopt with the back to you hand will be on the neck of your enemy no pagidana man na sune no nandunada na ko lo na sulu no your father's son will bow down to you no so you dane me da la apa adopt with the pa ka yo pa ke o no bu de ma no yo pa ke o different no you are like cross and the Judas you return from the praise my son like a lion cross dying lying down like a lion no lions who dare to wrestle him now when it was a scepter will not depart from Judah nor the ruler stop from between his feet now we did my panela until he came to warn is the beloved and the obedient of the nation is his now we did he will Jesus this donkey to vain his call to the choices bronze he will rust in the grammars and the wine his rubies in the blood of the grape his eye will be darker and the wine his teeth wetter than milk pagdana awake of women takera dana Zebulu will live in the seashore and the beacon and the half faucet his border will intend towards Sindu when Issachar is a Reuben donkey lie down between two sandbags when he see the good is he rest plate and a hard place in Islam he will bend his shoulder to the bondage and submit to the forced labor when he submit to the forced labor I want to like hit way down will provide justice for his people and one of the tribe Israel and the town will be 7 by the roadside for along the path Thus by the horse here and the soul rider rumble back. I look for your deliverance, O Lord. No, pagkita mala tamata no. Oh Lord, no. God will be attended by the band of the rider when we attack them and their need. No. Awali tama takamata ra padopo din part subat no. Patapa kalakasira. So you got no pagkita mala. So Yaku, no, so Yaku theory lucky ni pain adopt with the order reason. No, Jesus no restore his brother. No, pagkita mana. Pagkita mana. Adopt when it order tatu kutawa no. Maamana or we run order tatu kutawa. One Jesus' brother saw that their father was dead. He said, "What the wrong? No, Pierre Abbas the all. No, we wrong. No, pagkita mana pama kamara so you say." No, so you thought it funny where kama kakipo. So the son of war the Jesus said, your father left these instructions before he died. This is why you are to say to the Jesus. No, I ask you to forgive the brothers his sin and the wrong they commit and treat them so badly. Okay, now please forgive the sin of the servant of the God of your father. When their message came to him, Jesus weeps. Now weeps in a metilo. No, his brother then came and threw himself down before him. We are your slave, this said. But Jesus said to them, don't be afraid. I am in the place of God. Okay. You intended to harm me. Mama Toyara, no? But God intended no intended no? That intended is for good accomplish what is new being done. Not talk about that in a dam. The saving us many lives, so then don't be afraid, I will provide for you and your children. And he resumed them and spoke kindly to them. No? When they resumed, resuously, Kima, no? Ki pagkama teba ki awati le tatu kutama tu dorki no adopo temna oro tatu kutama no le tan kuda topo le ta kale tu no moya suki titamu pu no le titamu pu no ta kasayo kale ra tu ko ra tu kamasa tu titamu pu ne ke